Have you ever dreamed of making money from the comfort of your home, using nothing but your cell phone and an internet connection? Do you want to learn how to trade the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, where over $6 trillion are exchanged every day? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you are in the right place. Welcome to Spy Forex Trading, and I'm here to invite you to join our Beginners Forex Mentorship Program in 2024 for free. If you are ready to take your first step towards becoming a successful Forex trader in 2024, then don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Our program has limited seats available, and they are filling up fast. So, don't wait any longer, secure your spot. All you have to do is to like this video, share to 5 friends, and lastly comment the word ready, and I'll reach out to you. Remember, this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to learn from the best and achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Join our Beginners Forex Mentorship Program in 2024, and I will guide you through your Forex trading journey until you're a pro. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you soon.